you want to know how I got this eyeshadow look, I'm actually loving this look. It's very, very pretty. If you want to know how I got it, keep watching. So since I didn't do any makeup with this hairstyle, yes, it looks different from the video you just saw, but I'm going to use the eyeshadow foundation base from Playing in Makeup by Yolanda. So this is the yellow one. This is Surface. This is the white one. This is AO. And I just had, oh, here it goes. And this is B. So hopefully B. Yes. So I'm going to take B, eyeshadow foundation base, right? Eyeshadow foundation base, yes. And I'm going to put this all over my lid. So now that I have on the eyeshadow foundation base in B, I'm going to be taking this blush binder. Yay, yay, yay. I wanted this. I was up. Got it. Yeah. So I'm going to be taking page 2, row 2. So I'm going to take both of these colors right here. I'm going to begin to put those colors in my crease. I'm going to start off with the darkest color, which is that burgundy, and then I'm going to go and blend that out with that orange, and then I'm going to go on top of that orange with a like mustardy kind of yellow. It's going to be so cute. I think I'm going to put like pink. I'm going to cut my crease with P. Louise pink base. I'm not sure if I'm going to mix the bases. I have a few of her pink bases, so I'm going to see which ones I'm going to use, but I'm going to do that, and I'm excited. So next I'm going to go into the Playing in Makeup by Yolanda Jamrock No Limitations. Jamrock No Limitations eyeshadow palettes. And I'm going to go in with these two colors right here. Sadie and Cindy. This one and the one above it. I'm going to mix those two, and I'm going to blend out that burgundy and that orangey pinkish kind of color. What I came up with off camera. I think it is so pretty. Yeah. So this is so cute, but we gotta replicate it on this side. I'm gonna take one of these crayon case loose leaf wipes, and I'm gonna wipe off what I don't want, and then I'm gonna go and mix my bases. I'm gonna tell you what I'm mixing, but let me take this off first. So I'm gonna take these two P. Louise bases. I'm gonna use more of the Winter Rose and a little bit of this Acid Rain and Glow Girl. So mostly this and a little bit of this, because this is like really, really watery, which is fine. But I want it to be a little more tacky, so I'm going to add a little bit of the Glow Girl in there. And I'm going to mix on the back of my hands and apply it where I just cut my crease. So now that I have that, I'm going to go in with the Jamrock No Limitations palette, and I'm going to take the color Linda, and I'm going to put it in my outer crease. Now I'm going to take this color. This is page 3, row 2, blush 2 from the blush binder. And I'm going to take that color, and I'm going to fade out that dark purple color from the No Limitations palette. Now that I have that on, I'm going to take the same page, which is page 3. This is row 3, blush 1. And I'm going to take that blush and I'm going to pat it in the front just to set that base. Now I'm going to take this pen from the crayon case. It's the Sharp Me Fine Point Tip Liner, and I'm just going to create a wing. So I stopped using duo lash glue for my glitter, but I'm gonna go back to it because I like how it sticks, it doesn't fall. I've been trying other things and they're okay. They stick for 1 second and then next thing you know I take a picture and it's all on my face. Yeah. So we're not gonna do that. We're gonna clean this up real quick. Yeah, so we're not gonna do that. So I'm just gonna go back with the duo glue. This is the green one, the one that goes clear. So I'm just gonna brush it on where I need the glitter to stick on. I like to do my liner first, because if you do liner after glitter, it is a mess. So I'm just going to put this where I need this to be, and then I'm going to pack on the glitter. The glitter I'm using is from Glow Up Academy. I'm obsessed with their glitters. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I'm always tagging them, and they always reposting your girl because she obsessed. And this one is called Pretty in Pink. It's a pink, but it has green reflexes in it. So now that the eyes are done, I'm going to go in with some I don't remember what it's called. Skin Refine T-Zone, I believe. It's from MAC. And this is just going to help with me not being oily on my nose. I'm going to take this as well. This is the Pore Refiner Stick from MAC. And I have some pores like on my cheek right here. That drives me crazy when I'm doing makeup, and I had this product and I always forget because I have so much damn makeup and skincare and primers. So annoying. But yeah, I'm just going to go on top of where I have the most pores, which is really on top of my cheeks. And around my mouth, always have some issues. Yeah, so everywhere else, I'm going to be using the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer. So I'm all about hiding my pores. I don't know, for some reason they've been larger than usual. So we're going to get that together. And this is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. So you see everything is filling in pores. So I'm going to use these two together. And yeah, we're going to get it into some foundation. Okay, so I'm going to be using this Superstay Maybelline foundation in the color 336 Warm Bronze. I'm going to be using my concealer. This is Tan Sand Deep by Tarte. Yeah, just going to jump in to the foundation part. So I'm gonna be using these Stardust powders by Jasmine Times Bay, or Jasmine Times. She's on Facebook. The powders are amazing. This is what it looks like. Stardust powders, they are amazing. So I'm gonna be using Cool Caramel, right? Cool Caramel under my eyes. I'm gonna be using Mocha to set my contour, and all over my face I'm gonna be using Ginger. So I am almost done. I hope my sides are together. But I'm going to spray this Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. Since I use a lot of powders, I just don't want my face to be dry. Now I'm going to push it in. And I'm going to highlight. This is the Tribe Highlighter Volume 2 by Juvia's Place. And I'm using it on this Peaches and Cream brush PC17. So now I'm going to go into the Bloom palette, I believe it's called. Yolanda Bloom Lush palette. And I've been seeing this yellow. Oh my god, I don't want to use this yellow. I've been seeing people use this yellow, and I just want to try it. And I'm gonna use the one under it. Okay, so that was Hollyhock, and then the other one is Zinnia. Yeah. So now that my makeup is done, I'm going to shake this up. I wish they sold this at, well, they do sell it in a bigger container, but they didn't have it. So this is the Ultra Setting Vaporizer from Krylon. It's very strong, so I always hold my breath.
Activated, he experiences delusions and hallucinations that make him believe he is an animal. In this case, the subspecies of genus Canis called human. Okay, well, he said that he was...
So now that that is finished and my hands are super white, please forgive me, I keep washing my hands. It's the pandemic, you have to wash your hands. So I'm gonna go in with CORK first. Let me fix my brand. I'm gonna go with old school CORK. And then I'm gonna go on top of that with Bittersweet. I forgot what I was gonna say. Now I'm gonna go in with these liquid lipsticks and a gloss from Lashing Out Glam. I have 3 of them. I'm gonna use Cake Batter and Glassy. So Glassy is a clear gloss. It's so pretty. So this is Glassy. So I'll be using her. And Cake Batter is a nude. You already know I love me some nudes. So let's go. So this is actually a gloss. I thought this was a liquid lipstick. It's a gloss. It is a gloss. I actually thought this was a liquid lipstick. But it's okay. I'm just going to put Glassy on the back of my hand and apply it. Okay, so let's see what these sides are looking like. Yes, I gotta get my earrings. Hold on. So if you hear some noise in the back, that is my electric brush washer. I don't know why I can't like think today. Like my thinking is so delayed. But yeah, this is the final look for the makeup. Hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. More to come. Until my next one, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.